I do so enjoy.
Providing the refreshments for Quill's soiree was the least Xandar could do, after everything the Guardians of the Galaxy have done for us in our recent troubles with Kang. Although I didn't expect the responsibility to fall directly on my shoulders when we agreed to provide them. As you can imagine, the Nova Corps have a lot of fires to put out right now, both figurative and non-figurative. And as much as I would like to help out in the party planning process, I do still have at least a chunk of an empire to run. Now, could you lend your time to the cause? Wonderful. Remember, Quill is a Terran, so you might want to try and find some of that junk food young people seem to be so fond of.
Gonna play some Hexagon Blitz in my...
You've got bad guys causing trouble nearby. They make me so mad.
But it was Ravonna's idea, and if we don't use it, I'll...
Oh, when I get my hands on it.
Place was shot to bits, stomped all over.
Thank goodness you came along.
Making Chronopolis a safer place, one sleazeball at a time.
I'll show them! I'll show them all!
He's watching you. Always watching.
You. I have need of your services. Those golden helmets are so...
Chronopolis is full of food, but not all of it could be considered... Well, I can't imagine they'll be running out of food at this rate. Now, where did my assistant put that invitation? Did I even get an invitation? Maybe it's time I start opening up those messages I keep receiving. They can't all be spam. On behalf of the Nova Corps, we'd like to express our profound gratitude for your help in these catering matters. I shall see you at the event. Possibly.
Then why not sign up for a course in the ancient martial art of Kang Fu, held at your local...
Something tells me that story doesn't end here. Let's wrap this saga up in a Gwenpool mission!
In this town is either destroyed or just straight up doesn't exist anymore. Thanks a lot, Kang.
I suppose even the Black Panther has limits.
Don't mind me, just your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
What a Kang-tastic day. So, I get paid to say that. So dreamy. If only he'd stop his relentless attack on my planet, maybe we could be together.
Gonna play some Hexagon Blitz in my break.
Just a little bit, though. If I spend another 2-hour lunch talking X-Men, the boss can blitz me. I heard that very guy that was here to stay.
He was super rude to me when I went to say hi before.
That carnival near the Nova Corps building seems a little dangerous. I hope some brave gardener takes care of it before it
Please, no epic battles today. Just a little bit, though. If I spend another 2-hour lunch...
I must protect my city, no matter the cost.
Can someone do something about those awful Kang announcements? Listening to the guy who destroyed our home prattle on all day is not my idea of a good time. Life sure is great when it's not raining Nova Corps ships.
I wonder if that one there was here to stay.
He was super rude to me when I went to say hi before.
Come on, Guardians. How long does it take to beat one guy?
All right! Kang's defenses are down!
Wait, is this...
I'd say Xandar's actually looking for...
This is quite the conundrum.
Maybe you've already seen it, but some
I want to move to Manhattan, but there are so many now. How do I know which one is right for me? I don't think I'd like anywhere too advanced, or too cold, or too colorful. Any ideas? That carnivorous Which Manhattan do you think would suit me? Noir, New York, of course. It's not too advanced, or too cold, or at all colorful thanks to whatever it is that causes that black and white effect. Either way, that settles it. I shall move there. Thank you.
All right! Kang's defenses are down! The Guardians are finally...
Hey, give me a hand, will ya?
to Egypt soon. I bet the kids would love making sand castles. And I
Life sure is great when it's not raining Nova Corps.
I wonder if that Lemurian guy in the pool is here to stay. He was super rude to me when I went to say hi before.
Oh!
I enjoy sitting next to the central fountain. It emits a sense of mystery, like there's some sort of secret.
Any citizens having trouble dealing with their recent time displacement should contact their nearest Kang counselor or Kangseller. He may be only a cardboard cutout, but I assure you he is a great...
Thanks for getting me out of that jam, true believers. Excelsior!
That Ronan is always so accusing. Well, I accuse him of being a big jerk.
Oh, when I get my hands on him. Ooh, when I find the rock brain that left my cargo hold unlocked, I'ma kill all of them. I just caught a bunch of no-good bandits helping themselves to my loot. Took care of most of them, but the rest managed to slip away with my goods. Ain't nobody steal from the Youndu clan. I stole that booty fair and square. And now we're gonna steal that stolen booty I stole back. You with me? Smart choice. All right, time to hunt down those thieving bandits and reclaim my booty.
I'd say Xandar's actually looking pretty good, considering the place was shot with dancing.
I'd recognize that smell anywhere. That's the sweet smell of swag, mixed with the not-so-sweet stench of swag swipers. There they are. Get them!
Why do bad guys never see in the concept?
Don't forget to grab all that loot they drop. We ain't done till we got every last piece. Get it all, then move out.
Citizens are reminded that every waking moment of their lives is being recorded for training purposes.
More of them thieves dead ahead. Time to take back what they stole. That's definitely my booty tumbling in their pockets. Don't see any more of my treasure here. Let's keep on looking.
I do so enjoy sitting next to the central fountain. It emits a sense of mystery. Like there's some
Well, looky what we got here. So kind of you, as to hold on to my treasure for me, but let me take it off your hands. Did you grab all the gold? Ain't no good to me sitting in the dust, kid. All right, let's do a quick stock check. 1, 2, 6, 4, something. Who am I kidding? I can't count. But my Ravager's instincts say it checks out. So that's good enough for me. Nice work, Skipper. Hopefully that'll teach the rest of those bandits not to mess with me. I tell you, with all these dishonest folk around these days, you can't be too careful. So lucky for you, you've now got the Youndu clan to watch your back. You ever find yourself in a scrap, you give me a holler.
Who decided to put our city next to an This is too much.
Sorry to bother you, but yep, you guessed it. Some crime near you needs fighting.
I shall be writing a stern letter to his manager. Did the agency send you to finish my house? The last person stormed off and left the job half done. That's the last time I offer constructive criticism. I'll be talking to your manager about this debacle. Is this going to take long? I have somewhere to be, you know. Can you believe that coworker of yours just leaving? Outrageous. I moved here to get away from the big city. I don't mean Lumeria itself. I'm talking about the big city that appeared above it. It looks marvelous! I had my doubts, but you've done an admirable job. Here, for your services. Yes, this will do nicely.